One quote I would like to mention from Rhonda Byrne: "We humans are unlimited being, and we are limiting ourselves to nothing." I have took immediate, imperfect, massive actions. So the fundamentals made me very strong for who I am today. All these mentees and mentors, everyone has the same love and compassion towards the thing which they are serving in the name of Passionpreneur. And I'm really grateful to have this community, and it's my home and family.
Hello, Shalini, and welcome to Passionpreneur Success Story.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, first of all, Fatah sir. It is a great. I'm grateful to witness this interview, as well as I would love to share a lot in this. And I have only gratitude as of now to Gurudev and to all the people who have brought me here and for who I am today.
That's amazing, and it's really very inspiring to know about you, your story, the way you have overcome a lot of challenges and situations in your life, and the way you have transformed, and
Yeah.
always smiling, right? And then ensuring that you are moving forward and then getting successes in your life. So definitely, we want to hear from you, like, how was your life before Passionpreneurs?
Before Passionpreneur, the energy which I was operating, it is the guilt for losing my dad due to cancer. And after Passionpreneur, I overcame that low energy. I overcome from the low energy zone to this highest energy zone, which is of joy and fulfillment. So that helped me a lot to come out of the one pain which I had in losing my dad for past 1.3 months. I mean, 1 year and 3 months. So that is where I found Passionpreneur not as a course, it is something for lifetime. And everything started to change because I lost my dad due to cancer in 2022, and at the same time I was having my mom who was battling with the same cancer, and we got operated her with breast removal surgery and all. So it is just a 4 days down the line from me knowing that he too has got cancer, I lost my dad. So I was having a hatred toward myself for not recognizing that illness in my dad. And being a daughter, everyone loves their father, right? And whenever, like, it is something, they are the heroes of their life. So we look up to our father and we grow. Everyone, for everyone, it is a boy or a girl, their dad and mom are the real time heroes. And that is where I started hating myself for not taking care of that illness and whatever the things which they had. And I was operating in a low energy zone, not behaving properly to my circles, being hard on others also, like for things which is happening for me, I took why the life is so hard on me and why I should undergo all these. This was the state and mindset I had. And then and after joining Passionpreneur, I understood it is a thing which is there in our mindset and all those stuff which we are attracting from the subconscious mind. And everything was like a breakthrough after me joining Passionpreneur. Whatever the breakdowns I had, I made them a breakthrough by by following the things whatever has been told to me by the mentor. So being a dream student, as everybody say, so I don't know whether 100% I have been a dream student, but I have took immediate, imperfect, massive actions. So the fundamentals made me very strong for who I am today. And thank you for everyone, Fatah sir, for that.
That's amazing. Love the transformation that you have, and definitely the situations that you had in your life, right? Overcoming those and then being able to battle that, right? If I have to ask you a little bit more about like the situations in your past, like, so you had any other family members supporting you in those situations? How was the situation, and how did you actually battle this out? And
Uh,
I know even today, like you are like battling this all alone. You want to
uh,
share something around that?
yes, I was battling this all alone because I'm the third child of my mom for my parents. And I have two elder siblings. They are married and settled. One elder sister and one elder brother. And it was me who has spent a lot of time with my parents. And I'm a early riser also. I have the habit of waking up early because I have looked up to my parents who are the hard worker. They wake up early and they have such lifestyle. And by looking both of them suffering with illness, that shaken me a lot. And I was all alone taking them to hospitals and home and looking at their uh, taking care of all the expenses. But that time I did not do financially well. And that is where I got to know, like, I'm not having the financial things strong in my life. And I was like helpless at that time. Looking both of my parents suffering. And then I lost my dad in that battle and had a guilt. And I got to see my mom undergoing a lot of stress and pains, for the pain of losing her husband, as well as the pain which we had in the name of a treatment for cancer, the chemotherapy, the radiotherapy. And if you undergo a chemotherapy, you know that the medicines, whatever is being inserted via the trips, everything, even her tongue turned into blue, the sole of her feet, and she lost all her hairs. And she used to shiver like anything. She'll be like completely bedridden. And sometimes I have to take my mom to my sister's house, leave there, and then go for a job. And that job is something I have to travel 2 hours from my home. So up and down, I have to spend 4 hours per day in the name of traveling. So by undergoing all these, I was just having no clue, is this the life I gonna live for years? Because when I lost my dad, it is a fraction of a moment what I'm doing with this job, without even having a time for my parents who are suffering there, to have them support morally as well as financially in all the aspects in my life. And then when I lost my dad, I was having something, what I gonna do if this is gonna continue like that, then how I will be able to take care of my mom who is battling with the life and death. And that is where I got to know about this passion plan. I just took courage and joined the webinar, 3 hour webinar, and life started like a changing like a magic for me.
Mhm. But what inspired you to take action and invest in yourself and passion? Because you were like going through your mom's treatment, so finances were a problem. You were not in a very good job where you were earning too much. So,
Yes.
what inspired you to join this particular program, Passionpreneurs?
Yeah, the title itself has, it's a passion, sir. So we all have something which is there in us, but we don't give ear to the inner voice which always pops up, because we are too busy in focusing on the mechanical job, the routine, robotic life or zombie life, whatever as Gurudev says. So we don't listen to that inner voice until something shakens us. Because it happened for me when I got to see, or I lost my dad, having a question, what are you going to do? Is that the life which you're going to continue for your whole life, traveling 4 hours per day and not even earning the one which your souls feel happy about it? So that is where I got that popped up like a hit on my brain, like, he is telling something, you're going to create a business out of passion and make crores or millions out of it. Then that thing was, that time my aim was only financial upgradation, because I have my mom and I have to serve her. And then I joined. So he told, like, passion, out of passion you can create a business, or if you don't have a passion, we will make you find you that your passion. And I had something interest in me, but I did not had the clarity that is my passion. So I want to know what is my passion and what is my purpose. So I just joined him by taking a leap on faith. My life has changed 200%, I could say, as a person, as a
Mhm.
person.
So,
And
what
I'm
exactly changed after joining Passionpreneur?
life has changed in all the aspects. If you have a report card like thing, like, you're gonna calculate yourself financially, spiritually, socially, how you are with your immediate relationships and your relationship in your office and other external things. And spiritually, like how much you're taking care of yourself, how much you're feeding your soul as a human being. And physically, like, I had some discipline. I work out because my parents are health conscious, so I had that. but mentally I was not strong. So in all these aspects, you're gonna grow in your life. Just not the money. This is something where you have a holistic growth where it covers all the part of your life. Like as a human being, as financially, physically, mentally, you become a strong person. And socially, you will know how to keep yourself happy, even though the environment is not gonna serve you the way you like. And everything, sir. I have my report card, and if I calculate now, I'll be like more in from what I have started.
Amazing. It clearly shows off from your energy and your smile, right? All the time you have been smiling and your energy, positive energy that you are bringing here. I think that's wonderful. And
Thank
you mentioned about financially also. Did anything change financially in your life?
Yeah, a lot of things change. It's a lot of things has started to change when I had the fundamentals working on myself. So, as they say, it is we who we are stopping ourselves. So, one quote I would like to mention from Rhonda Byrne because I listen her podcast because the magic book, no, it is the magic actually, the 28 days practice. And we humans are unlimited being and we are limiting ourselves to nothing.
Wow. Do you
We,
want to repeat that? I want the
yes,
audience to listen to this
yes.
very powerful quote. Yeah.
The human being, we all are unlimited beings. We are limiting ourselves to nothing. So this keep on I keep on hear this whenever we have something which is low happening in our life. So we give ear to a lot of negative things. We do focus on negative things and we attract that only. When start to focus on the positive aspects of our life, the universe will give you all the things which is going to help you in a positive way for you to grow in the life. So this is something I would like to mention. And financially, if you see from 3.8 lakh in the May, that was my previous job, I got a package which is 6.8. So 8 lakh per annum. And there I served only 4.5 months because I could see the environment is not serving me good. And this I learned from Passionpreneur because your environment chooses or will show you who you are. And
Hmm.
that is where I decided, considering the environment is very important for me, I took a courage, not listening to anyone, and joined the other job. They found me because the requirement are there, and they I all these courages and confidence I got from Passionpreneur. To be honest, quitting a job is not easy within 3.5 months from joining because we all have the society norms stating that within 3 months who gonna hire you.
Hmm.
Nobody will pay you if you're going to quit your job in 3 months. And everybody has that limiting belief in their mind. Oh, okay, that is what is true. So I'm not eligible to find another job within 3 months. No, that is not true. It is you who gonna find it. If you want something very, if you are like searching for that by putting your heart and soul, you will find that. That is what happened for me, and all these happened. And now my per year package is 7.8 lakh. So
Wow. From 3.6 lakhs in May to 7.8 lakhs, which is clearly like more than 200%, right? So that
yes,
is how we can see that. So that is great. Amazing. Okay. And what else has changed? Of course, you have now like a great income that you have. What else
yes.
has changed in your life? You spoke about social. How have people started seeing you or how your social relationships have changed?
Yes. How to create a content was like I had no clue on that. Then I understood you have to be omnipresent for you to get rewarded by the universe. So whatever has been told by the passionpreneur, it's a like a lifetime life skills. The mentorships are whatever being taught. I just followed blindly. Initially, I used to share someone's post and share in my pages because I'm self motivated somewhere. Then I understood when I gonna share my own content on the media, having my name, and people are sharing my post in the LinkedIn, and people are like liking, commenting, and I took immediate, massive, imperfect action. Everything is not a perfect, and also one thing which I have removed from my mind is perfection thing. because I am a kind of a person who wants something perfect. I was in that kind of a life, but that has changed my life because nothing is perfect in the world. Everything is imperfect, but still you are creating a value in someone's life. That is what the ultimate point. And I got a lot of reach in Instagram, Facebook, and I started creating my own community where I have 148 people in my Facebook group.
Wow, that is amazing.
Thank you. And LinkedIn community, I started creating a content and everywhere I'm getting a connection. I just had 13 connections in LinkedIn and today it is 200 plus.
That's
So
amazing.
all these happened within 4 months. So I'm really grateful and I created my own ebook, launched them in the Amazon Kindle publication. Three people have bought it so far, and I got 5 rating review for that. And also I'm an upcoming author of my true story because all these happened because of Gurudev. And those challenges, whatever mentors gave, I just took it blindly and followed. I'm not focusing on the result, but the things are like amazing. The consequences and whatever I'm getting responses are like amazing. And I got to know how many things are there inside me, how many talents I have myself after me joining Passionpreneur. And also I created design for my own book.
Wow, that's nice. And you have your ebook already there in Amazon, which is already got five-star reviews and people are buying from there. Your
Yes.
upcoming book, when is it planned to come? Your upcoming book?
Actually, I have planned this upcoming book to be launched with Gurudev in this Passionpreneur retreat and to join the inner circle because I want him to have
Launch
this.
your book.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
So
and when are you expecting this to happen? In
before March, I gonna come out with a book because
uh-huh.
and that is my short term non-negotiable goal I have. And after me launching my book, I know how the life goes. It
Wow,
will be a skyrocket.
that's amazing. You are already writing a book. You are going to be soon an author, right?
Yes.
And I guess you are not yet even married, right?
No.
So soon you are accomplishing so many things for yourself. And what are your friends and your colleagues talking about you right now?
My friends and colleagues are, what are you doing? You're not saying. But I could see your growth like a skyrocket. I just doing something which is I share his pages and all, like Gurudev's page and thing, whatever, even the satsang, whatever he's taking. People are like not trusting that, but they could see how far I have grown. But if I say something, like it will be like a different world for me. They started looking differently. You're not the previous Shalini. But the way I treat everyone, they are loving me a lot. They are showing lot of loves from all international level I'm receiving.
Wow.
Eh, Two things I would like to mention. I after reading the book Magic, I just blindly created a podcast. At that time, I did not had any facility because when I was recording my podcast, I have the dogs shouting at the background, and and in spite of that, I just recorded 34 episodes in the podcast. That
How
podcast
many episodes?
34.
Wow, that's a good number, 34 episodes. And I think right, in industry, it's
Yes.
said like more than 90% of the people they give up within less than 10 podcast episodes. And you have already crossed 34. That's an amazing milestone that you have accomplished.
Thank you, sir. So that podcast, when I look into the analytics, people from US are listening, 50%, and 50% from India, and now Germany has come into the list. Recently, I have checked.
Wow,
And
now you are becoming an international influencer now.
thank you. I'm really grateful for how the life has changed after me joining and within this short span of time, few months. And second podcast I have created, just 4 episodes I have crossed. That is also I have a good reach. Uh, People from India and people from Algeria and all, like the country whichever I don't know, from there they are listening my podcast. So I understood how these things are working. So I'm really grateful and have no words to explain how happy I was.
Yeah, amazing. And did you ever imagine that you will be having your own podcast channel, your own book that's going to come up?
Never, sir. I have never imagined because these things are like looked as a very difficult things in the society because the school system, the education system are trained in such a way because they don't teach the life lessons. They teach the things which are there in the book, which is not going to serve you in your lifetime for you to have at least survive in the environment. Because that is where I told Gurudev sooner this gonna become a university and internationally we gonna take this to a great thing. I have sent him one message. I don't know whether he has seen, but for sure this will happen because it is not a program. This is like something, a movement or a life skill every individual should have, and it should be brought into our education system also, where
Yes.
so many time is being saved. See, if a person like me having a low energy and operating in a energy level which is like a joy and fulfillment within 4 months, think about if this is gonna be continued for at least 1 or 2 years. That will be like I can't even imagine where I gonna be, and that is where I decided this is for me for lifetime.
For lifetime, yeah. And I love the transformation that you have gone through, and clearly can see, like, in your 20s, if you can achieve so many things, and I can clearly imagine, like, you are going to rock as you actually go ahead and grow in your experience, in your expertise, and everything there, right?
Thank you.
But one thing is aspects of you shared about mentor, Gurudev, and everyone. But what about the community? Passionpreneur in itself is a community as well. Has this community been helpful to you, and what do you want to share about this community?
This is not a community. I could call it as a home because in the Connect, when I came after me, before the mastermind starts, I got to see how the home. They were like, I got to see you also. I took photo with you everywhere. So I joined. I was just entering the what is it, Vashi, Sitco Navy, Mumbai. There it was like having welcome home, and I felt the real home because this is the place where you don't be judged externally or for your character, what you are there before, but 100% it will be guaranteed you will not be the same person because you yourself gonna love the person whom you're gonna become in this. So that is where I felt, and I'm achieving that every single day, and also I'm loving because I took the decision for me to be a part of this. So I'm thanking myself to take this decision.
Super. Good to see your transformation and the way this community has been helpful to you. What about people who are not yet in Passionpreneurs? Do you have any message to share with them? If yes, what do you want to share with these people?
I have a great message, sir, because I can say, right, what is my profession? Because I'm a banker. We do have this deposits, and they say you're gonna, what to say, you're gonna invest every month like 10,000 or 20,000. It take 25 years for you to make a 1 crore. But, sorry,
You
if
can
at
have
all,
some water.
yeah, no, no, not a problem. If you want to make a crore, you can achieve this within 1.5 years by joining Passionpreneur. At least 9 to 18 months, as Gurudev says. And it is happening in my life. And for people who are not there in the Passionpreneur, they are trading their time with their life, I can say. So that is something they gonna have a lot of time to find the clarity because they do not know whom they're going to become. First of all, if there is no mentor for you in your life, it will take at least 5+ years to find what is your passion. At least they don't even believe whether they have passion or not. But if you want something, or if you love doing something, don't know what to create in your life, just blindly take a leap on faith and join Passionpreneur. Your life will be changed 200% within the 4 months of time. And just think how it gonna transfer your life if you're gonna have your life a mentor for lifetime. And I realized it within this 4 months. And when I got to see everything in person in the Connect, I booked my next slot also for the 2024 PPC Connect because I decided I gonna stand next behind him to receive an award of excellence and achieving my dream life.
Amazing. That's amazing. And I'm sure you are going to reach those heights as well. And
Thank
thank you
you.
so much for being here and inspiring all of the other people through your story and through your transformation journey.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
Shalini, and all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much because I'm really showing my heartfelt gratitude to Gurudev and all the mentors because everyone has the clone of Gurudev in him. So that is where I saw it is not only him, all his mentees and mentors, everyone has the same love and compassion towards the thing which they are serving in the name of Passionpreneur. And I'm really grateful to have this community, and it's my home and family. And I wish everyone don't lose this opportunity because you're saving your time and this is the age for you to enjoy your life, not after retirement. Just think about it. Have everything planned and just focus on how you're going to lead your life when you're young. Because that is how I started attracting the things and I'm becoming. And heartfelt gratitude to the universe and all the people whomsoever I have met in my life. And thank you so much, Fatah sir. You are also a great inspiration for me, and I'm very happy that I got to talk to you in this interview. And I cannot express my happiness.
Thank you. Thank you once again for inspiring everyone through your smile, through your energy, and through your transformation journey.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you.